You know, this has been a real pain in my butt because I just rode this thing with a video camera to make it knock. The damn camera didn't have a full battery. So now I'm coming out here with a iPhone trying to get the knock, but the knock is gone now because it hadn't been rolling long enough. So we're gonna take another ride. Woo, Jesus. Lord have mercy. This is a ATV 60 that I bought from Power Sports. And I don't have nowhere to put this thing, so I'm gonna put it in my pocket and ride around the yard, and maybe it'll start tapping again a little louder than what it is. Already tapping. So we're gonna turn it off for a second to see that it has oil in it. Okay. We're gonna take it for another spin. So I gotta put this down for right now. So I'm gonna set this over here. But as you can hear, it's starting to tap now. So I'm gonna set this right here between the seat. And I'm gonna make a couple of circles in the yard. Boom. Now, as you can hear, it's getting louder and louder. I just made a couple of circles in the yard. So, video camera is about to fall. Get your ass out of the way. Really loud earlier, but my camera didn't have a correct battery, so it's loud. So I had to come back out here and make another one with the iPod. But as you can hear, it's getting louder and louder as you ride around. Move. I'm gonna turn it off before anything tears up too bad. And I'm gonna go in here, and I've only been riding it 4 minutes and 47 seconds, almost 5 minutes, and it's rattling and making noise. A little too loud for what it's supposed to be doing, because I've had several of these things and they're not supposed to be making that kind of noise. So I'm gonna go in here and try to upload this onto YouTube and hopefully they'll do something right by me and fixing it or whatever, because it's really not fair that I have to take and buy something that I think is brand new, and I got to repair it as soon as I get it home. It doesn't make sense, and it's not fair. So I'm gonna upload this on the YouTube, and let's see what they say. All right.